Hi, I am Tegan Wiedenhoff, and this is the assignment for Module 7, the Human Resource Frame. So what is the Human Resource Frame according to Bullman and Deal? This framework looks at the organization as a family, and the family is made up of people with different needs, skills, and relationships. The leader in this type of framework is a servant and a catalyst for the people. The leader meets the needs of the people in the organization, and the people in the organization need each other to be successful. This framework reminds me a lot of the school building or the school district because the organization is a family. They have to work together hand in hand. Um, it's made up of people with many different needs, skills, and relationships within the school building. The leader or the principal and teachers are servants. They are there to serve the students. So they are meeting the needs of the students in the organization. And people in the organization need each other, like I said, to be successful. So the school needs the people, and the people need the school. This is my hierarchy structure. I have the principal at the top because they're the ones who makes all the final decisions. Everybody below them has to go to the principal if they need something. So they're up at the top. The teachers and the students I put second. They go together for me because the teachers are there to support the students, and um, that's what the whole building is there for, is to support the students. And the students have to be at the top because that's what we are there for. I have the on the third tier, paras, office staff, and parents all together. I put paras third. I think they're super important, but they don't see the children all day like the teachers do. And so they are a great resource to work with students one-on-one or in a small group for a short period of time. But the paras also have a special ed teacher above them that they would go to if they ever needed anything rather than the principal. The office staff, they are there with all the behind the scenes business. They do scheduling, they do ordering, they do attendance, report cards, everything like that behind the scenes, and they are there to support the principal in any way. And then the parents, I have them on the third tier. They are super important. But I didn't put them up with the students and the teachers because we're not there for the parents, we are there for the students. And so um, still have them pretty high because it's great for parents to be involved in the school. It's good for their own student, and it's also good for teachers to have a good communication with the parents because that only helps the students. Next on the tiers, I have custodians, cooks, and maintenance. These three, again, super important, but they don't see the students very much throughout the day, like the teachers and the principals. So custodians are there to clean and um, get stuff ready for the next day, put down lunch tables. So very important job, and they are there again to support the students. Um, the cooks, they're there obviously to make lunch and breakfast, and they do see the students for a short period during the day. So they are there to make a little impact on the students. And then maintenance, they're there to make sure the building is up and running, which again, we need to support the students. At the bottom, I have community and alumni. And in our community, we are very fortunate to have a lot of support. They support us both financially and just volunteering with different things and donations. And so our community is very important, which is made up with a lot of alumni. But I have them at the bottom because they're not in the building every day. Um, they don't see what goes on day in and day out through the school building, and so I put them near the bottom. But again, they are there for the students, to support the students if they ever need to. Thanks for watching.